Hey, Scott Lara, thecruisegenius.com, president of militarybears.com. You know, the sweet experience, and this is called the Grove. It's the sweet neighborhood on deck 18. And this is kind of like the Haven. It's like a ship within a ship, if you will. So, you know, it's nicer, more refined, a little quieter, a little nicer. You know, it's kind of, you know, a nice place to sit, relax, take it easy. And, you know, you want to have that refinement. You know, you could be down there, down below with the masses, with the kids and the laughter and the kids and all that stuff. Or you could be up here in the sweet neighborhood, And, oh, the refinement, you know, the niceness, you know, a little quieter, a little nicer. I do see kids up here, so I guess kids can be up in this area. Well, I guess, you know, if you're in a family suite or, you know, a real nice suite, you know, you're gonna bring the kids, right? It's not like Virgin Voyages where adults only. Hey, how you doing, buddy? There he is, keeping a watchful eye. There you go, watchful eye. So again, here's some shade here. How are you today? Good to see you, my friend.
Thank you.
All right, so. And what's that deck up above? What's that called? Thank you. I'll take a walk up here. Oh. So again, you know, a nice area. It's nice rooms. Now, on deck 18, I was looking here, well, actually deck 16, owner's suite. 16 is a grand suite. Then 17 is the Royal Loft Suite and the Icon Suite. So, let's take a walk up here. Watch the steps. Icon of the Seas, just an amazing ship. Amazing crew, the food's good. We're out to sea today. Perfect day at Coco Cay yesterday. Now here's an upper deck, even a higher deck, if you will. Sweet neighborhood up here. So you're away from the hustle, you're away from the bustle of all the people below. Now, if you look over there, I don't know if you can see, there's a guy with the rope walking the plank. Pardon me. So again, here's below, right? So right below, you know, the people, the swim up bar, the laughter, the swim upping, the drinking, you know, Thrill Island below, Chill Island below. I'm way high up here on deck 19. You know, the music down there. So, I mean, all that is fun, all that's nice. Swim up bar, having a drink. Hot tub over there to the left. But Icon of the Seas, amazing ship, amazing technology. LNG powered. LNG, not your typical old school power. Swim and tonic. Not the old school power. It's LNG, liquefied nitrogen gas. Preserve the environment, preserve the O2 layer. Yeah, that's what we want. LNG. Just went to a travel agent / media show event with the CEO and the president of Royal Caribbean International. Also with Vicky Freed, Vice President of Sales and Marketing. Just amazing. Vicky Freed, what a legend she is. Okay, on the Icon of the Seas, way up here.